What what we are discussing, that WebLogic server, that okay, WebLogic server, you have understood. I think all you might have understood the concept. You are okay? Hello, Sneha ma'am, Srikanth?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes sir. You remember the HDFC Bank? Okay, web page where you then in that it is a static page where you enter your user ID and password by using your credential. Then in that afterwards what, based on your profile or based on your customer profile and all, the screens will get varied. It is dynamic, it is getting changed. Okay, how it get changed? Because they have given a restriction based on the business logic built business functions. See, business logic means in bank, based on your customer profile, you are treated as a platinum or something. Accordingly, they built a business logic. Okay, that is called in the server. They are hosting a application. In which server? Web server, in which business logic pages, codes are hosted. Okay, they are deploying the application in that WebLogic server. Okay, that is in the middleware. Okay, and the database, you know. Okay, backend, it is a database. Okay, clear? Now next is S-base cube. Okay, I will read it out. It is a multi-dimensional database that stores data in a pre-aggregate format. This allows the data to be used in reports instantaneously instead of waiting for a batch process to be submitted and run. Okay. For this, from me, Sneha ma'am will be taking class. Okay. From me, she will take. Okay. Hello.
Sir, yes, sir. I've clicked on the share screen.
Oh,
are you able to see? Yeah, you have to just allow me here.
1 minute. Where I have to make it, ma'am? Hello, it's
so
not.
So in the settings, you just have to in the settings you have to check on the disabled participant screen sharing. That's all.
Where in settings?
Yeah, in the Zoom settings in your account onto your right.
More is there. Pause recording, stop recording.
Yeah. Yes, sir. There you click on that and you can enable the participant screen sharing.
Enable remote control, pause share, new share, like that. Okay, security.
Click on the participant screen sharing option.
Participant I have shared, madam. Okay, participants I have clicked. Yeah. That in that, ma'am. In that it's not showing. More in that more. Put in waiting room, allow record, make host. I have to make
okay,
it.
You make me the host. That's also.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now I made you host, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. So everyone is able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I can't able to see, ma'am.
You're not able to see?
Huh?
So you're not able to see the screen?
Yeah.
You're able to? You're able to see it now?
Not 1 minute, ma'am. Yeah. Your screen. Yeah. Okay. Again able to.
Yeah. Okay.
But you have opened any PPT or?
Yeah, yes, sir. I've opened a PPT. I've opened a presentation now. It's showing as OLAP.
No, ma'am. I can't able to. 1 minute. I am viewing your screen only. Why it's not coming?
Correct.
Yeah. Now. Okay.
You're able to see it?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.